this guide, we're going over how you can buy and equip emotes here in my career in NBA 2K26. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and press the start or menu options or even options button on your controller to open up the menu, and then from here tab all the way over to my player just like so using the bumpers. From here just scroll down to the animations tab, select it, and what you're going to want to do is open up the animation store once again by just tabbing over to it using RB or R1. Essentially what you need to do is go to the city emote specifically, open it up, and then you could find either standing emotes or you could also find moving emotes as well and choose whatever one you want. For example, we could do the goofy jog, Essentially go ahead and add it to your cart by hitting A and then of course hitting Y to go to your cart, and then from here you could just purchase it just like so and it'll immediately go ahead and buy it for you. After buying them, go to the show off animation section just like so, find the little park and rec intros and outros as well as the NBA intros and the city emotes. Obviously go over to the city emotes, select city emote and change it to whatever one it is. It'll also tell you what you need to do in order to do it. So for example, this one, I just got to go ahead and be moving and then just boom. And we are doing the goofy jog. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.